Hello my friends. Today I'm going to be doing a straight pour on this 10 by 20 inch deep canvas using these luscious colors. They're all Artist Loft, as you can see: Aqua Green, Light Blue, Metallic Cobalt Blue, Brilliant Blue, Metallic Bronze, Green Yellow, Brilliant Yellow Orange, and Light Magenta. Surprise, surprise. I did add white to these four colors because they're all semi-transparent. Actually, the orange is transparent. So by adding white, an opaque color, they become opaque and then they'll show up much better in my pour. These are all opaque colors, so I didn't mess with those. And then just for drama, I did mix up some black, which I may or may not use. I think that's all I need to say. Oh, I just mixed them with Floetrol. 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, and a little bit of water to most of them. A couple of the colors, I think the blue and I know the black, didn't require any water. So if you want to try this, mix these up first and then you'll know how much water to add to the rest of them to get the right consistency. So that's that. I think that's out of the way, and I'll fill up 2 cups. And I will speed this part up, but let me make a quick announcement. My show at the gallery went quite well. I was happy with my sales, but I still have a lot of inventory left, so I added it all to my website, CHRISTINEJ.com. And I decided for the month of August 2025, I'm going to offer free shipping off any purchase on my website. Now, I can't set it up to remove the shipping, but if you go ahead and pay the shipping it asks for, I will refund it as soon as I see the order. So there you go. That's in the United States. I must limit it to that, although I always offer to split the shipping cost to anything outside the United States. So that's just an FYI. I think I'll go with the black now. I am running the paint down the side of the cup so I can get nice layering here. A little on the thick side, but you need that for this type of pour. Move these out of the way. I have them in the order I want. Okay, so it's always interesting to me how you fill up 2 identical cups and then they look completely different when you pour them out, but we'll see. All right, I'm going to do kind of a traveling ring pour. I think. I don't know. Let's just see what happens. I really don't like pink. Here we go. This is more of the colors I enjoy. A little pink is okay. Okay. I'll be able to tilt a lot of that off. Now, the question is, should I start pouring here so the pink, I have pink on that end as well, or is it going to be boring to have just most of that? And you know what, I'll do it. I'll pour it here. You know, I kind of hesitant. I'll take some of that black, put it over that pink. That's good. Okay. Whew. I haven't done one of these in quite some time. I hope I made the mix thick enough. But we'll see. I don't have, what is this? I do. I was going to say I don't have any flow extender, but I do have something I scraped up the other day. I might as well use it. This is all the leftovers, made a good neutral gray from something I poured. I didn't do a video. Yeah, why not? This will just help the puddles flow a little better. Well, that's a beautiful mess, huh? Just kidding. All right. And here we go. I think first I'll go side to side. I'm a little of both. Getting coverage here. All right, now I've got full coverage. Let me size it up and see if I want to move it around a little more. I don't know. I think I might be okay with it. I'm a little surprised at the look, considering the colors I used. I thought there would be more blue, and you know what? I like it. I don't dislike it anyway. I think, depending on how it dries, it might be okay. I think I'll take my gloves off and hit it with a torch. I didn't add any silicone, but I'll probably get some cells with all the Floetrol I used. Not that I was going for any, but there's some you can see. Floetrol, if you use more than 1 part, 1 to 1, you're going to get cells. There's no avoiding it. My torch is out of juice. Let me fill it up. Popping in air bubbles, because I always mix my paint fresh, and it does tend to make bubbles, but they add a little interest, a little texture to it, to the look. Yeah, I think in this vertical orientation, it's quite interesting. If this were to be the bottom, I think. We'll see. Anyway, let me bring you in. All sorts of interesting areas. There's the dreaded pink, but it's okay. I actually like that section right there. And when it dries, let's see, metallics I had bronze, that'll be lovely. And metallic cobalt blue, I don't know where that went. Part of this green might be, whoop, look at my big finger, might be metallic. Well, we'll see, time will tell. Yeah, I mean, it's not what I pictured, but I think it's interesting. I think it'll be a keeper. All right, my friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll show you the dried result on a future video, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.